Are you interested in making money from cryptocurrency trading, but don't know where to start? Don't worry, you're not alone. In this video, we're going to go over the basics of cryptocurrency trading and show you how you can profit from it. First, let's go over what exactly cryptocurrency trading is. Simply put, it's the buying and selling of digital currencies, like Bitcoin and Ethereum, in order to make a profit. To get started, you'll need to set up a digital wallet to store your cryptocurrency. You can find many different types of digital wallets online, but it's important to make sure you choose a reputable and secure one. Next, you'll need to choose a cryptocurrency exchange to buy and sell your digital currencies. There are many different exchanges to choose from, each with their own fees and features, so make sure to do your research and find one that's right for you. Once you've set up your digital wallet and chosen an exchange, you're ready to start trading. But before you start buying and selling, it's important to have a strategy in place. This can include things like setting limits on your trades, diversifying your portfolio, and keeping an eye on market trends. And just like with any investment, it's important to remember that the value of cryptocurrencies can be highly volatile, so it's important to only invest what you can afford to lose. With the right strategy and a little bit of research, you can profit from cryptocurrency trading. Thank you for watching. For more information and resources on cryptocurrency trading, don't forget to subscribe.